I'm just going through my Change Checker album. I'm doing a bit of spring cleaning, tidying a few things up, and I found this 2002 Forthbridge old £1 coin, and I've just realised it's a fake. I found a fake coin in my Change Checker album. Hello and welcome back to another Coins to Collect video. This is my first video that I've recorded and released in 2020, so I thought I'd start off with a little bit of early spring cleaning. So what I'm going to be doing is I've got these old £1 coins in my Change Checker album, but they're in these larger pockets that fit 50p's and £2 coins. Now I had an idea and I've ordered 2 of these pages for 10p coins. So if I just get one out. So these are a couple of pages from the Change Checker website. I can't remember how much they were now, but I ordered them a little while ago and they turned up probably just before Christmas actually, but just getting around to sorting these out. So I've got the cards for the 10p's, which I'll put to one side, and I've got the smaller, well, the same size pages with the smaller pockets that fit the little 3D printed cards I have. They fit quite nicely. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the old £1 coins out of these pockets, put them in the newer pockets. Hopefully, you know, I'll fit more on one page, so that's good. But I'm also going to put them in these little coin cards that I've had printed from William. I'll put a link to his eBay page, and it's WM3D Prints 23, and that's on eBay. That's his seller's page, and you can get a set of 10 of these little cards, all different sizes, for £2.95. Now he's not paying me to say this. This isn't a what's the phrase? This isn't a paid endorsement video. He does do me a good deal on these cards, but I really love them, and they tied in my album up, and the coins don't rotate when they're in these little coin holders. So I'm a big fan, and I'm just sort of happy to shout about them really. So not paid endorsement whatsoever. Anyway, we're going to do that. Now with these cards, I don't actually need these cards, but I thought of a good use for them. What I'll do, the second part of this video, this is my 10p album, my Book 1 Coin Hunt album, and I've got all these E, F, G, H little homemade little cards, and what I'm going to do, pop these out, maybe trim them down a little bit, and put them in their place. So I've got that to do as well. Second part of this video, but we'll get on with these £1 coins. This one, incidentally, was the last round £1 coin. It didn't go into circulation, and there's only 96,000 of these out there. So this is quite a rare coin. Very nice. That finishes that set off nicely. Yeah, let's speed this up and crack on. Okay, all done. I've put all my old £1 coins into the little coin cards, coin holders, and I've managed to fit all the £1 coins onto one page. Well, all of them apart from this little space here, which is for the Forthbridge £1 coin. Now I'm trying to get them in the little cards, and I obviously want to get them all lined up. So on UK coins, if you have the obverse side, which is the Queen's portrait, get the Queen straight, flip it over, the obverse design should line up as well. But as you can see, that's a bit wonky. So let's do it the other way. Let's straighten up the fourth bridge, flip it over, and yeah, the coin is definitely tilting too far forward. So unfortunately I think that's a fake. Now I've never been that great at spotting fakes, but actually it does look a bit fuzzy, a bit smudged maybe, and definitely on this side some of the lettering there on the left, yeah, isn't as sharp, and yeah, no, that is a fake. It wouldn't normally be a problem, as, oh, let me show you. Right, I have lots of spare old £1 coins, but I don't have any more fourth bridges, unfortunately. I have 5 Celtic crosses. I have more 3 lions than are on the shirts of the England football team, but I have no fourth bridges. So now I'm back hunting for 1 coin. I thought I was finished, or what is it? They just when you thought you was out, they pull you back in. So, oh well. I have 1 card left to fill. We have the new £1 coin at the bottom there. I need a new coin holder or a coin card for that, please, William, for the new £1 coin, and hopefully they'll start releasing commemorative £1 coins soon enough. Hopefully. Get that in. But yeah, that looks much better. All nice and neat, all on the same page. Fantastic. Well, I was cool till I found that. Never mind. I'm now hunting for a fourth bridge old round £1 coin that's not a fake, please. If anybody has one, let me know. Let's pack this away. So I've got me 10p's there at the front. I'm still missing a Z. I'm still missing a Z. But I'm getting one soon. I'm going back to the mint and I will get one in trade, or I'll just buy one. Right. Coin cards. So I did say I bought 2 of these. So I've got another sheet for smaller coins, and I have another set of cards for me 10p. So I've got some for 2019 and some for 2018. So these into here. Here we go. Right, there you go. Get a bit out. Yeah, so just trim a little bit off the sides and the little cards fit in the little pockets. Fantastic. Right, now, got to do all the rest now. X, Y, and the last one for 2019, the Z. Or Z, zebra. Zebra crossing. Okay, cool. All done. Obviously I've got some spares left over because I've already found these coins. All the rest have gone into the book. So 2018 and then into 2019, all the way through until I start my date run of 10p's. So yeah, done. Fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed. Do all the usual stuff like and subscribe, blah blah blah. Anyway, until the next video, keep looking out for those coins to collect.